Hi everyone and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to half treble two together. That's in the UK terms. In US terms it's a half double crochet two together. I'm going to be using this Poundland Premium Aran Knitting Essentials yarn in this ecru colour and a size 6 bright red crochet hook so that you can see it easily, and I've already crocheted a little swatch to show you on. So I'm going to show you how we decrease the half treble stitch. So I'll have my one turning chain, and how we do it is we yarn over and we go into our stitch and pull up a loop. Now ordinarily we would go through all of these stitches, but we're not going to do that. We're going to yarn over and go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. So we have 5 loops on our hook, and we yarn over, pull through all 5. And then I'll show you again. We yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Normally we would go through all 3, but we yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, giving us 5 on our hook, yarn over and we pull through all 5. I'll show you once more. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. 5 loops, yarn over and pull through all 5. And that's how we half treble two together. I'll show you once more. They do look a little bit different. Sorry, I had a bit of an itch there. I think we've got thunderbugs out this evening. It's been really warm here. Sadly, I was at work and missed all of that lovely weather, but I'll just get the horrible little thunderbugs instead. They do look a little bit different, but that is, normally you wouldn't have a whole row of decreases. I'll show you one more time as we have another stitch to go. Well, and the last one, because it was just, I didn't concentrate on how many I was making. I was just making a swatch for you so that I could show you. But you can see that we have reduced all of those stitches into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. So we've, out of 10 we've made 5. That's how we do it. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you hit that notification bell, then you'll be notified whenever there's another video to come. Incidentally, if we were increasing, we would just do 2 in the one stitch as before with the increase in the treble. So that's exactly the same. We would just do 2 in the one stitch, but it's through 5 loops to decrease. So just remember the terminology that you need if you're working on a crochet pattern that's an American terminology, or if it's in British terminology. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.